Okay, hello guys, hello everyone. So this one is we will make a portocino. So we will just have to marinate it today overnight, no? So this one is 3 kilos carne. This one is the pineapple. Now we have to pour it like this. So my husband is trying to teach me how to cook. No. So this one is a food color, right? We have to put it all. Okay. Wait, where is the gunting? Okay, I'll just have to bite it. Ano na? Ika ka na sa dad. Okay. So this is food color and we have to put this all. This is orange, no? Orange. So this is food color. So why we have to put the color? Because the portocino is red. So why we choose orange? Why you choose orange in our portocino is red?
It's red, it's not orange.
Ah, okay, so it's red. The color is orange. I don't know. Pero sige lang. Okay, this one. And this is the sugar. We have to put it all.
Yeah.
Okay. So wait. Wait. Okay. I'll just have to put this all together. And this one is the tocino marinating mix.
Yeah.
This is the ready-made.
Yeah.
Okay. This one is also all.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, this is sugar also.
Yeah.
So a lot of sugar in portocino.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this is so masarap. Wow. What's this? Oh. Look. What's that? Oh. Wow.
Nag-vlog lang kami, may ato na. Nag-vlog lang kami, may minsulod yung paniki. Ato na, minsulod sa kwarto. Ha, si baby. Ano to? Uy, bantay bata may pakon. Pag-ausap, bata, bantay bata pakakon. Okay, may pas niya nga nakasulod. Bulaw pagod nga kuan.